Anna and welcome to my channel Shoevolution. If you love shoes and you want to know about latest trends, styling tips, amazing shoe hacks and about cleaning tricks, then you are at the right place. Subscribe to my channel right now. And if you have already subscribed to my channel, then welcome back guys. And guys, you can also give me a follow on my Instagram page, that is Shoevolution_India, as over there I daily put content around shoes. So guys, this video is about shoe cleaning and not any other shoe. I'm going to clean the Yeezy 350 V2 in the color cream white. And as you know, white is so difficult to maintain, especially in our country. It is so difficult. Like, it's so dusty and dirty out there that the moment you wear your white shoes and you step out of your house, they are dirty in seconds. So these white shoes have been dirty for a really long time. I was supposed to give them to dry cleaning, but then the lockdown happened and the process kind of delayed. And now I thought I should give it a try and clean it at home. And while I was doing that, I just thought to record it and show it to you guys as well, the entire cleaning process. So I've done a sneaker cleaning video earlier as well, and over there I had cleaned using a different sneaker cleaning lotion, and I cleaned the sneaker which was made of leather and mesh material, whereas this sneaker is basically made of fabric. Mainly it's fabric over here on the top area. So yes, let's try and see if I can clean this at home. Usually Yeezys and all I always give for dry cleaning, but yeah, I thought I should try it doing at home this time. And now what I'm going to use. So Sneaker Lab sent me these amazing products, basically a cleaning kit a while back, and I thought to use this and put it at test. So Sneaker Lab is basically an internationally renowned company that makes sneaker cleaning products. And I was seeing the Instagram videos and YouTube videos. I think most of the sneakers on which they have tried their products is usually leather. I didn't see fabric material or a Yeezy, but so this will be new and I'm pretty excited about it. Also the stains are quite old. I don't know if they will go off completely, but let's try and let's start with it. Before we begin, just wanted to show you the condition of the shoes, and as you can see, they are like very dirty. Like, both the pairs are very dirty. Especially this stain is very stubborn, and I highly doubt that it will go with the cleaning solution. And now let me show you what's inside the Sneaker Lab box. So they have a sneaker cleaner which we are going to use, this one, and they have a brush. They also have leather care, sneaker protector and odor protector, which I'm not going to use right now. I just need the cleaning lotion and the brush. So the cleaning lotion and the brush, a bowl of water, a little warm water, lukewarm, and a microfiber cloth. So the box also came with this mini booklet which tells you the instructions on how to clean it, and it says brush excess dirt off dry brush, then spray the sneaker lotion onto the sneaker, then dip the brush into the water and then start cleaning it. I think I'm quite clear with it, so let's get started. So I'm going to start with this shoe, and I'm going to shake this up a little bit, spray this on the areas which are dirty, basically the entire shoe. Dip this into the water and now start cleaning it. Usually with other lotions, lather is formed, but I can't see any lather. You know what guys, I think it's cleaning, just the spray is doing the work. I will just pick a dark spot and I'll show you guys. See, this side is much cleaner now than this side. And now with a microfiber cloth, you can just wipe it. Though the shoe is a bit wet, it will dry up overnight. So now with the other pair, I've sort of changed my direction, guys. But yeah, this is more difficult to clean. I really doubt if these spots can go because I think it's mud. It's pan. I have no idea. But yeah, these are quite stubborn and it's extremely dirty. If you can see, it's not white. It's like this mud white color. The cream white has become mud white. So yes, it's dirty. It's dirty from here as well. Inside, I can't clean right now, but I'm just going to clean from outside. Guys, I don't know if you noticed, like just after spraying it onto the spot, it has lightened quite a bit. And now I just have to brush it to spread it evenly. So guys, I'm finally done with the sneaker cleaning process. And I must say, I'm so happy with the results. Guys, seriously, I didn't expect this, and I'm being very honest over here. Like, usually, you know, when I get products, I do like a test and then I do like a full sneaker cleaning thing. But this time I was short on time and I just picked out my old shoes and I thought, you know, I'll just do it, like record it and then clean it then and there. And it happened. I thought when I started, like it will clean the shoe about 50% and it will lighten the spots and the stains that the shoe had. I didn't expect it to clean the shoe completely. Like the shoe is spick and span. It is spotless right now. So this is like remarkable and I'm so happy with it. Like I know I'm repeating this again and again, but if you see the before and after pictures, like there is a drastic difference in both of them. So yes, basically I saved up on the dry cleaning cost. So yes, I would highly recommend this product to you guys. This in India is available at Superkits. I will be leaving the link in the description below. So if you want it, you can just go and shop. And guys, post cleaning the shoe, it is recommended to use like a sneaker protector, like just spray it all over the shoe. It creates this invisible layer which makes your shoe waterproof. And not only waterproof, basically you can drop anything onto it and it will not stain. So they have a sneaker protector as well, and they also have an odor protector which you can use especially when you're wearing closed shoes. So this is very useful. Also guys, I would recommend that when you're cleaning it, you should remove the laces so that you know, you can clean it properly. But I didn't do so because I was a bit lazy and I thought that I'll clean the laces also along with it. So yes, that was it. If you like the video, you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that you get the notification whenever I upload a new video. See you guys and take care.